guys, Cindy A. Lewis, and I wanted to share with you something I got in the mail from I'm a Cool Mom, Jessica Huffman. This is lot 2 of a little thing that she put together to sell, some Christmas lots, and so I wanted to show you what I got, and I wanted to promote her channel because she does some really fun things with junk journals and December dailies. She just started. She's a really neat lady, and you should follow her, so I'll link her channel below. But let's dig in and see what I got. Okay, so if I didn't say, this is Cindy A. Lewis, and I always start my videos that way, and I think I did, but anyway. Okay, so here we go. She packaged it really cute. I love this. I love this. So let's see if I can do this without tearing anything up. So she sent me all kinds of fun stuff. Look, oh, look how cute that is. Wow, how fun is that? And then some ribbon, lots of ribbon actually, and some pom-poms. Ooh, some of that eyelash ribbon. Okay, let's just pull it all out. All right, some fun layaway tags for junk journals, and a packet of all kinds of stuff. Oh my goodness, look at all that. Really Christmassy, fun, some material in there, some fabric. Fun stuff is that. Look at this garland, and it's all stars, so we're gonna have to do something with stars, right? I think I'm gonna use this to do my daily memories of each day. I was just gonna pick one memory, and I'm going to put it into my planner this year. So I decided I had one more tab back here, and it was blank. So I'm going to make a page for each day of December and put in here, and I'm just going to make myself record one memory. And so how fun it would be to use what I got from I'm a Cool Mom, or Jessica. So look at this fun stuff. How cute is all of this? Cutie wooty stuff. Okay, so, oh, and see, look at these green stamps. I don't know if any of you are old enough to remember these, but I certainly do. And licked plenty. And then used a sponge. Nice. All right, so then some tags, some really cute tags. Look at the little gingerbread man, and this cute little elf on a clothespin. Then here are some papers. All these papers, napkin, really fun stuff to make your own junk journal, or look at the frame, or just decorate a scrapbook page. This is an envelope. All right, I don't want to get everything mixed up, but there's so much here. Some stencils, and look at this. It is Christmas, and this looks to be from, oh, there it is, December 1957. Oh, I'm going to have to read this. Wow, and it's fun to give presents. This is from a children's book, I guess. Nice, love that. And then here's some more papers. Oh my goodness, she just put a lot in here. All right, this is really fun. Look at all this. And so I gift wrap, and here is music, Glory to God in the highest, some more papers. Oh, look at this. Golden books. And see, I knew she was sending this. That's one reason I wanted it. The Biggest Beautiful Christmas Tree, this little golden book. And let's see if it has a copyright year on it. Let me see. The eyes are not as good as they used to be. 1985. And then this one, Santa's Toy Shop. I think it was only 89 cents, from 1950. Then Frosty the Snowman. This is just the book cover. You can make a junk journal with that. And with this one, look, Christmas. This is beautiful. How gorgeous. This is from 1952. and then some more little planning things and stuff. So how fun is this? A little lot to put together your own junk journal, scrapbook pages, make your own memory dex cards, whatever you'd like to do. I was going to do memory dex cards this year, one for each day, but since I have my planner, I'm going to just add pages to that. So I think I might do that right now and just add it on to the end of the video so you can see what December 1st is. Okay, so I finished real quick. I made a pocket here with a tag to record my thoughts from the day. I put a number 1, and now I'm ready to go on to the next day. This is going to be so great to include with my Christmas planner from this year. So anyway, tomorrow join me for live. Don't forget to do that, and then thank you for watching. I appreciate you watching, and remember to go check out Jessica's I'm a Cool Mom video channel and her on Instagram. Thanks for watching.